Hello, Opophiles! Today we're talking about Ferling Etude number 8, and it is a fast one in E minor from the Ferling set of 48 etudes. Now, when you're working on these kinds of etudes, it can be really tempting just to jump in and hack away, playing the excerpt over and over again, maybe looking at some theory stuff, doing some research, and all that stuff is great, but it can be really frustrating because it's not very efficient, and you might hit a wall with that kind of practice. So I'd like to break down how to practice this etude and other fast etudes in this video. Recently we did some drawings for some free lessons to celebrate reaching 1,000 subscribers, and I'm really grateful to everyone who subscribes and comments and lets me know what you think to really support the channel. I'd like to do another drawing for some free reads this time when we get to 2,000 subscribers, so thank you for helping me out with that, sharing the videos and subscribing. And if you'd like to enter the drawing for some free reads, don't forget to go to opophiles.com and fill out the form on the homepage. I'll link in the description below. So practicing this kind of etude, this fast, super articulated etude, it's very helpful to have a fast single tongue. You need to be flexible with your single tongue as well. If you need help with that, I have a video in the description below that goes over how to work on the single tongue. And there's also a free printable PDF on my website that you can download and work on a daily warm-up to get your single tongue really fast. The link, of course, is in the description, but specific to this etude, you need to have a kind of different mindset from when you're practicing to when you're performing. So I'll play one of these little phraselets really slow and have a little commentary so you can hear what I'm thinking as I'm practicing, versus when I play that same phrase as a performance. Here we go. Find these accents. Nice. Not too heavy. Even your fingers out. Stay relaxed. There you go. Accent on one. Downbeats. Don't overblow. Take it easy. Land octaves. Clear tongue. Octaves. Keep steady. Relax. Remember that time that stay focused. Nice taper. And then, when I play it fast, I might have this going through my mind. Here we go. Really cool. Play music. Let go for this part. Taper. So as you can see, the mindset that you use when you're practicing versus performing has to be very different because you have to be doing two different things. When you're practicing slow, what you're trying to do is create the neural pathways to really learn the music in a way that is away from the page, to really kind of have it in your body. So that when you go to perform it, it's just automatic. It just flows out of you, so you don't have to think about it so much. And that way, it isn't a second thought. You know, you're not hesitating, you can just play. The other important thing to do with this etude to have the drama, and this will really stand out if you're using this for an audition piece for region band or high school band, or sometimes even college auditions, we'll use this etude, and something you can do to bring up the drama is to do the accents, of course, when they're asked for, but when they're not in that articulated passage, is to give those different shapes. So you might grow into one, or grow out of one. I don't know what the opposite of grow is. Shriek out of one, maybe. But of course, this is all supported by the air. So you might do a long tone on that section to make sure you know what you're doing. For example, in bar 21. So that when you put the tongue over it, you have different shapes through the articulated section. Woo! Hopefully this helps you with this etude. If it does, don't forget to like the video and subscribe below. And when in doubt, play beautifully.